As defined in the international standard ISO 55000, published in 2015, asset management is the coordinated activity of an organization to realize value from its assets. Derived from a variety of industries, ISO 55000 has been successfully applied in numerous companies around the world, demonstrating business benefits and value to the organization. In addition to reducing equipment failures, the ultimate goal of asset management is to optimize the operation and maintenance of equipment, to minimize costs and risks while ensuring safety of personnel and customers. Asset management strategies have been matured from being reactive, i.e. fix it when it breaks, approach, to time-based or preventative maintenance. Routine maintenance performed on equipment at regular intervals to reduce the likelihood of it failing. In these approaches, maintenance is typically considered an expense to organizations. Asset management has now matured to the point where information on the operating conditions of an asset is a valuable tool for condition-based, reliability-centered, and predictive maintenance programs. These approaches determine the remaining life and condition of an asset in order to predict when maintenance should be performed to optimize the reliability and life cycle of the asset. Here, asset management is seen more as an investment, not an expense. It starts with monitoring and diagnostics. Key to a more proactive asset management program is the monitoring of assets and analysis of the operating data. Asset monitoring starts with robust sensors taking accurate measurements of equipment operating conditions. The sensors must be well-proven technologies, hardened for field conditions of the grid or an industrial environment. Collecting and analyzing the data and diagnosing the condition of assets requires extensive domain knowledge and experience in asset construction, operating conditions, and their failure modes. Monitoring may include both offline testing and online. Other asset operational data, including power quality, fault records, alarms and events, and environmental data, together with asset historical information, the manufacturer, date of manufacturer, and previous work, are collectively used with real-time monitoring and diagnostics in a holistic asset management program, typically known as asset performance management. A good APM strategy includes knowledge sharing and collaboration throughout the organization to manage costs, risks, and performance, and optimize return on investment in assets across the whole asset lifecycle. That includes planning, design, purchase, maintenance, and retirement. The business case. Justifying asset management programs lies in the cruciality of the assets. The asset management value proposition includes reduced failure-related repair or replacement costs. Early detection of a developing fault will reduce the cost of repair. Consideration should also be given to the strain placed on assets that are called into action to cover an unexpected failure. Reduced inspection and maintenance costs. Improved real-time asset loading capability. Critical assets, if appropriately monitored, can be operated close to or marginally above nameplate ratings while minimizing risks. Deferred upgrade or replacement of assets due to monitoring equipment age or condition, i.e. extending asset life cycle. Improved planning for scheduled outages. Optimized design and operating practices. Enhanced personnel and customer safety. And improved environmental safety. If you're interested in more information, please send an email to info@qualitrolcorp.com.